and check it. Same thing holds true when you have a whole number. The reciprocal of a -4 would be putting 1 over -4, right? Because this is really -4 over 1. So if my exponent is negative, which it is, the first thing I'm going to do is the reciprocal, 1 over -4. I'm then going to make my exponent positive. Now on Alex, they only put the exponent by the bottom number because 1 to any power always stays 1. But really it's the whole thing to the third power. I don't like how they write it. 1 to the third power stays 1. -4 to the third power, -4 times -4 times -4 would be -64. Of course, we know on Alex they don't really like you to put the negative down on the bottom, so on your answer they would say -1/64. And the same thing if you wanted to check that with your calculator, you would put in -4 caret to the -3rd power, and since that one's a proper fraction, it should come out as -1/64. Ooh, clear. There we go. So number 8, if I want to do -3 to the -2 power. Again, my exponent is negative. I'm going to do the reciprocal of -3, which would be
1 over -3.
1 over -3, and then I'm going to square that. If I square that, I'm going to get
Positive 9.
1 over 9,
Oh.
right?
1 over 9.
Still the 1 on the top, 9 on the bottom, so 1/9 is what my answer would be. So number 9, again I have that negative exponent, so I'm going to do the reciprocal of -2, which would be
1 over -2.
1 over -2, and then I'm going to raise it to the 4th power. So I would get
1 over -16.
now if I do -2 to the 4th power, what's my sign going to be?
Oh, positive.
It's going to be positive 16. So if you're using your calculator, make sure you put the parentheses around there so you get the right sign on your answer. But if my exponent is even, should make it positive because I'm going to have 4 negative signs. So I get 1 over positive 16, 1/16. So now they're going to throw those rules together so